Hi, my name is accuse Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. A lot of cases that we deal with have a undertone of domestic violence. Sometimes in a divorce or custody issue, one person will accuse the other of domestic violence. It could be a legitimate thing. It could be that they genuinely fear because there's been incidents in the past. It could be that they're trying to jockey for position in a custody case, and they know that the presence of domestic violence in the household is one of the factors that the court would look at in determining custody. So it's very, very important to deal with an issue of domestic violence and not to trivialize it. If you're accused of domestic violence, it is not something to be taken lightly. There's all sorts of implications for that, not least amongst which will probably be a no contact order against you, which will limit your ability and might interfere with seeing your kids. So it's very, very important that you take it seriously. Now, the good thing is domestic violence is a crime. And while it's not good to be accused of a crime, it does mean that the burden of proof is on the prosecutor to show that you're guilty of it beyond all reasonable doubt. If the two people are in a fight and they're screaming and a neighbor calls the police, I mean, who's to say who is guilty of the domestic violence in that case? So the point is that the system, as a criminal charge, has in and of itself built in certain checks and balances, certain protections that will create a scenario where somebody who's falsely accused should be able to be acquitted. But again, it's a process. It's not something to be marginalized or trivialized. It's something to take very seriously. If you are charged with domestic violence, please reach out to us, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful, please like and share.